This is a question I get from time to time. How many different types of writing are there? And so I decided to document that and make a list. So here are, according to me, 6 different types of writing. First is dramatic writing, the creative writing, fiction, novels, poems, etc. Its aim is to move people, to create an emotional reaction. There is then the business writing. It aims to administer and manage business processes like you would have in any office or company. Copywriting. Copywriters have one aim in life: to sell stuff. So it's in marketing, advertisement, so all over the place. And it's a pretty lucrative type of writing too, if you know how to do it well. Then comes forth scientific writing. Its aim is to report, defend, and share scientific knowledge with a lot of footnotes and endnotes. Then comes rhetorical writing. Its aim is to excite people and make them follow a certain ideology or belief. In our day, we have a lot of examples of it. Just turn on the TV any day. Then comes technical writing. Its aim is to instruct people, to offer solutions to specific problems, and to do it by offering concrete, sequential, logical steps, step by step. How to do something is technical writing. And here is a short list of the sectors, just selective. It's impossible to list all of them, but the sectors where technical writers work. Technical writers work in industrial manufacturing, federal and state governments, medicine, pharmacology, nonprofit organizations, banks, finance, investment sector, computer software, my own sector, hardware, networking, security access, military and defense, big time. Energy sector, carbon-based, hydro, nuclear, green, renewable, alternative energy sectors. Education and training, of course. Advertisement, sales and marketing. Transportation sector, telecommunications sector. In short, where there's an economic activity, the chances are there is a technical writer there writing user manuals, FAQ lists, quick installation guides, quick startup guides, service manuals, reference guides, etc., etc. So, as I mentioned, my own specialty is software documentation, which covers and overlaps with hardware, networking, security access documentation as well. I'm not sure about other types of writing, but I assure you, I give you a guarantee, there will never be enough technical writers in the world to satisfy the total demand, especially in major metropolitan areas. So, write tight, be bright, and serve right. See you in the next video.